Hey guys, Lito's Tools here, and we're back with another part of the Toolbox tour. We did the top of the box, we did the first drawer, and now we're on to the second drawer. This is my ratchet drawer and some of my overflow sockets, so let's get into it. Right here, these are all half-inch drive, 12 points. Got a mix of brands, Westward, Torsen, Craftsman. So 10 to 19 there. We have some other bigger guys here. 22. What do we got there? 22. What's this one? This is Stanley Challenger. 21. Then we got 26, 28, 29, 32. Some deep 6 points that are bigger than what my socket rail goes to. So we have a 26, 28, 30, and a 36 there. These are just some 3/8 that are bigger than the socket rail goes. We have like a 23, sorry, 22, there's a 21, and what do we have here? 24 half-inch drive, and a 30 half-inch drive. Okay, and then down here, I just have my couple of 3/8 Impact Swivels, metric, what are they, 10, 13, and 14, little extension, and what's this here, 21 3/8 deep, and I just have my good old snap-on finger spinner there on there. Okay, so into the stuff that gets used. This is my long Gearwrench 84 tooth half-inch flex head ratchet. It's a great ratchet. I've put all my weight on this, and I'm like 240 or something like that, so, and no skipping, no breakage, nothing. It works great, and it's a pretty fine tooth. It's a nice ratchet. I guess we'll just do the half-inch first. This is one of my grandpa's old Craftsman VV USA's. Works great. So there's that guy. What do we got here? Some stuff from other tool hauls. I haven't really used this yet, but this is the indexable head that doesn't work, but the ratchet mechanism's fine. So there's that guy. We've got the Champion Plugmaster fine tooth bend handle flex head. Haven't used it yet, but it's a very nice ratchet. Here we have a modern Craftsman 3/8. These are okay. They get the job done to an extent, but do not try and hang off these or put a breaker bar on them. They will break. I've broken them multiple times. But if you're just using it by hand normally, doing stuff, under, 16 millimeter, 15 millimeter, you're fine. Here's the also Tools 3/8 swivel head. Very nice sounding mechanism. So there's that guy. So that swivels. This is my most used ratchet. This is my Gearwrench 120 XP 1/4 inch flex. This I think is harder to break than that Craftsman 3/8, honestly. I've put more pressure on this and no issues. Nice fine teeth. It's a 60 tooth gear with a dual pawl, so it gives you 120 teeth pretty much, so it's very nice. This is something I got a long time ago. I'd never really used. This is like a gimbal finger ratchet spinner thing. I can see where it could be useful, but I've never actually even used it. Here another modern Craftsman. I believe this is a warranty replacement. I had a older 90s Craftsman that broke on me, so I got this in return. Not the nicest thing to get in return, I'll say that, but there's that. This is a beautiful little ratchet. This is a proto. Not brand new, but not old. It's not a fine tooth, but it's not coarse either. I think it's about a 60 tooth. It's quite nice. This is what I go to when the gear wrench is too long, or I just need something real small. Another tool I use a lot. This is a Maximum Mastercraft from Canadian Tire here in Canada. This is a locking flex head bit ratchet, fine tooth, and this thing is held up great. I have no problems with it. I would say this is probably as good or better than your rebranded like Matco bit ratchets and Mac and whatnot. Very happy with this little guy. It's one of my gems, I suppose. This is a snap-on hard handle 1/4 inch spinner. Love this guy. This is great if you don't want to pull out your nut drivers or whatever. Stick a 5/16 or 8mm on here for your hose clamps and whatnot. Also for your those tiny sockets on your MAF sensors and whatnot, on your intakes. So yeah, that is the Ratchet drawer, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. We actually will have some more Ratchet content coming to the channel soon, so if you're into that, like, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.